is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Back on the Streetfighter M1000RR in its naked form. This is my second time riding it. We are going to the shop at the PDM brands. Troy and Bren should be there, and we're going to be putting on the stage 3 on this bike. So yeah, this bike is going to get the velocity stacks, it's going to get the breather, and already has the stage 2 with the relocated sensor. Yeah, so this bike should be stage 3. It should be all done. We're going to lift the tank, all the air box and all that good stuff, and get those last kind of like internal pieces done. And we might, if we have time, then we're going to be putting on the full exhaust system. I am not sure if we're going to be doing it, but he said it's easy. The bike is already apart for these reasons, because we already got to, like, you know, pull most of it apart to do these jobs. So that's why the bike is in this condition, because I don't want to like kind of put it together and then take it apart again to do certain things. So we're kind of building from zero back up. The only two things I've done is that I have put on the Rizoma stealth mirrors, and I put on this carbon fiber kind of like dash cover piece right here. But yeah, that's literally it. That is all I've done to it. I think that's all. I wanted to do some titanium bolts, but I was like, you know, for some of the like the front fender that I already have on, and I tried putting on the windscreen, but I was missing those like rubber grommets right here. So but yeah, how do you guys like my Streetfighter? I'm dead. This is the world's first Streetfighter M1000R, technically. This bike is so butter. Yeah, the only bike that is actually kind of similar to this one is the Fireblade. Other than that, this bike is kind of like in its own world. But the Fireblade, they really did well with that bike for the price, because that Fireblade is 10K cheaper than this. Now obviously you have carbon fiber wheels, and you have, you know, cruise control, and you have like extra electronics in this one. Like for example, look at this. If I just hold, now I have this sign, and I literally can't move it back and forth. It just like kind of like holds. So if you're on a hill or something and the bike is rolling, you don't have to like put your foot on the brake or anything like that. It just holds for you. So yeah, little nice stuff here and there. You hold again, and now it releases. Little bumpy. It doesn't have electronic suspension like the Fireblade, because it's a race bike, you know. So it still has the pretty stiff suspension that was adjusted for the track. It feels amazing, but when you hit bumps, it does not feel good at all. All the bikes are here. World's first Streetfighter M1000R.
It didn't announce like the
How are you going? Yeah, long time.
Yeah. Skeleton.
Yeah, I told him to keep everything off because we need a lot of work to be done for it. So
get your block off, and then stuff knocked out. So you'll see kind of like what I'm gonna do with his bike will be the same thing I do with your bike.
So we're swapping a VTEC motor in here, or what?
yeah, we're gonna put a twin turbo V10 actually.
Oh,
Yeah.
The AT in there still?
Yeah, I checked it. What the hell? Please tell me this is dirt. Yes. Thank God. I was like, this is my new fairing. Just bug splat. Little upgraded pieces here and there.
Yeah, you got like the Brembo Master on that.
Yeah. This is like their best, most expensive one. I know, I saw that. I was playing with it. They should have cut it and they zip tied it. Honestly, not the best.
Well, a lot of them, they kink them a little bit just for race situations. Like, I've seen that before, but you're supposed to, like, there's a way to do that, and there's not a way to do that.
I feel like if it was a little shorter or maybe a little longer, it would have not. I don't know.
Big stands in this thing? You're going to put the exhaust on?
I got a rear stand and front stand.
Okay.
I brought it just in case.
They're coming out with a M1000 single R Streetfighter next year.
The world's first. They're trying to copy me now.
Do you need anything else out of the car?
I think the tuner right here. Oh, I'll take my wallet too. The goods. I got the other cable too, just in case. I don't know if we are gonna need it or not.
It's good though.
The fitment on this was so tight. Yeah. This and all around here.
Did you replace it? Are we gonna replace it or what?
The tank?
It's like what, 3-4 grand?
Yeah, 3K. Yeah.
On my
You're gonna give me a brand new one.
Maybe I'll do that. No, I for now I bought a carbon because the whole tail, all of this is gonna be full carbon. So I got a carbon cover for it. They have a cover because I wasn't sure. I wanted to get the full carbon tank, the actual tank, and I'm like, I don't know. It'll be cool, you know, the full carbon tank. But I wonder like fitment issues with carbon, a tank.
That's the thing. There always going to be fitment issues.
Yeah. Yeah, I feel like with a tank is a little more. I don't know if I want to take that risk because that's, you know, not cheap. Of all of this and titanium bolts and carbon covers, literally. So yeah, literally everything is gonna be carbon, even the frame. And I got a bunch of like blue titanium bolts. The only thing that's gonna stay white is the front face and the side. That's it. That's my plan for it. We'll see how it works out. It's already been a hassle with fitment and all that.
You're bringing it back from the dead.
Yes.
Resurrection.
I just rode my M yesterday. I had a blast on it.
I know, it's so fun to ride.
I was just on 91 though. I can really feel like sluggish on 91.
I'll probably film the process while he's doing it. But yeah, the velocity stacks, the breather, and all that good stuff. Putting it back together, and if we are going to be doing the full exhaust system. Alright, bike is back together. We put on the Brent tuning velocity stacks, the breather, all the good stuff, the block offs, all the goodies. And yeah, the bike is tuning wise complete. It has the stage 3 pretty much because we relocated the sensor right here. And I honestly forgot, but we did a lot for this bike, and now it is finally complete. We don't need to take this stuff apart anymore unless I replace the tank because it is scuffed up, but we'll see about that. But now we can start putting the bike back together from the top, and we didn't have time to do the full exhaust system. But if you guys didn't know already, this is the exhaust that I got for it. We got the titanium SC project. We only put the slip on just so it sounds a little bit cooler when we go on a ride today. Obviously still has the stock titanium acro headers, but it's gonna have the full SC titanium exhaust system. This is just a little teaser for the people that are watching today's video. Probably next video when we do the exhaust system, that's gonna be the proper reveal. But if you did watch this video and you made it all the way here, now you know. A little bonus clip. And yeah, it actually sounds way better than I expected, even though it's just a little slip on. I actually really like it like this because it sounds good but not obnoxious, you know what I mean, because it still has everything else is stock. Literally just replace the slip-on. So yeah, it's really nice. And most likely tomorrow we're gonna have an appointment and we're gonna do the headers, and yeah, it's gonna be full titanium. I'm so excited. I feel like this exhaust is the best. And if you guys do want to get an SC Project exhaust or any of the parts like Rizoma Cell, stuff like that, make sure to check out Motovation. They hooked it up with SC Project exhaust. So yeah, check them out, and they have a ton of parts for like pretty much all the bikes that you need. I've bought countless parts from them for all of my bikes. But yeah, now I am excited to ride this and see how this new tune feel with the new exhaust. You can hear the pops a little bit on it. Oh my god, my heated grips were on the highest level. I was like, why is it so hot? Literally, my glove is like burning. Yeah, I totally forgot that I have heated grips, so I was like messing with them and I just like turned them on. So now with the velocity stacks, I should have like about 8 more horsepower, especially up top, while losing nothing down low with the Brent Tuning velocity stacks. Just launches you back. Yeah, the velocity stacks on this bike are also completely different for the K66 engine, because if you guys didn't know, the engine for this bike is also completely different from the S1000RRs. Woo! Well, oh yeah, this bike feels like a bullet. I don't want to do too many like crazy high speeds, because at the end of the day, I'm riding a naked bike. I don't know if there are some fairings that, you know, obviously need extra support and all that stuff, but damn, this bike feels great. Obviously, like the little slip-on, you don't hear it honestly much. You kind of hear it more when you're like stopped and just kind of like idling, because, you know, with that big muffler. But now, since it's like behind me, you don't really hear it that much, but it does sound slightly louder and better. Did the exhaust sound any different?
Yeah.
Now imagine with the whole system. But yeah, for me, when I'm riding, it doesn't sound that different because it's behind me.
Yeah, it sounds loud. It
Yeah.
so weird when you're riding it without anything.
I know. Streetfighter style. Alright, yeah, the tune felt great. The exhaust sounded good until I was going fast, and then the wind noise just kind of cancels it out. But once it gets to headers, it's definitely going to be loud enough where it's going to be deafening, pretty much, just like all my other bikes. That's why we're staying kind of quiet with the CBR. But yeah, I guess I'll end this video here. We'll probably go on a little ride, or actually I'll just keep it going when we ride, I guess. So we'll just pause it.
that skid mark, though. Scared the fuck out of me.
Just playing around.
You put it on?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, looking good, dude. They're getting some air right here, though.
Look at that.
At a time.
Titanium bolts also.
That's good. I want to get those too.
Fun stuff. Alright, we might be putting on the rest of the exhaust system, we might be not, but that is in the next video for you guys. So, oh look, I have a little bee. If you guys did enjoy this video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out and ride safe.